Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica's Monetary Policy Committee has voted to maintain the policy rate at 6%, signaling confidence in Jamaica's inflation outlook. The interest rate on its standing liquidity facility will also move from 8% to 7% effective March 28. This move will reduce borrowing costs for commercial banks, ensuring greater stability in short-term market interest rates. Inflation continues to trend downward, with annual headline inflation at 4.4% in February 2025, a significant drop from 6.2% in February 2024. Looking ahead, the Bank of Jamaica expects inflation to stay within the target range for the next 2 years, barring any economic shocks. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 510 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 47 points. 58 stocks advanced, including Medical Disposables and Supplies, AMG Packaging and Paper, MFS Capital Partners, Caribbean Cream, and Knutsford Express. The 40 declining stocks were led by Iron Rock Insurance, Mayberry Group, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Edufocal, and R.A. Williams Distributors. 13 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.31. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.46. The pound is going for $204.18, while the euro is selling for an average $170.18. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.